Here in North Carolina, deers love to rub on the cedar tree. And that's a pretty good sized cedar tree. They usually don't rub on them that big, but they do on about this size. So when you're looking down through the hardwoods when all the leaves are off the trees, look for cedars about that big. Here's what you might find. You notice this guy is rubbed all over this tree. Not only that, just put a scrape right next to it. Rubbed all over that thing. They love an aromatic tree. So keep an eye out for a cedar, and then you may find some good rubs, possibly even a rub line. All right, thanks for watching.